Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Start menu and taskbar unresponsive and not opening fix in Windows 11, 10. First method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Restart Windows Explorer. Second method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Type Run New Task, type cmd.exe. Copy command from description and paste it. Third method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Type sfc /scanno. Type shutdown -r -f -5. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.